You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious French type of pastry, originally from the city of Bordeaux. Canelé de Bordeaux is how it's said in French. Canelé de Bordeaux. So in English, Canelé de Bordeaux. Canelé de Bordeaux. It's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more delicious food names, including from France. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.